Solved problems. How to calculate cash collected from customers, cash paid to suppliers, cash paid for operating expenses. Problem. The following information was taken from the General Ledger accounts of Global Limited, which uses the accrual basis accounting. Particulars: amount December 31, year 2020, year 2019. Accounts receivable 233,500, 159,000. Inventory 195,000, 210,500. Prepaid insurance 9,000, 11,000. Accounts payable 143,000, 152,000. Salaries payable 13,000, 19,000. Sales 528,000. Cost of goods sold 294,500. Operating expenses including 95,000 for depreciation expenses 177,000. Required: compute the cash collected from the customers, cash paid to suppliers for purchases, and cash paid for operating expenses during 2020. Solution: cash collected from customers. Total sales 528,000 less credit sales. Accounts receivable 2019 159,000 less accounts receivable 2020 233,500. Net 74,500 is the credit sale. So cash sales, cash collected from customers is 528,000 minus 74,500, that is equal to 453,500. Cash paid to suppliers. Accounts payable 2020 143,000. Add purchases. Cost of goods sold 294,500. Add inventory 2020 195,000 less inventory 2019 210,500 is total comes to 279,000 is the cost of purchases. Less accounts payable opening 152,000. Cash paid to suppliers is 270,000. Cash paid for operating expenses. Operating expenses 177,000 less depreciation 95,000. Total 82,000. Add increase in prepaid salaries 6,000 less decrease in prepaid insurance 2,000. Cash paid for operating expenses 86,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.